I'd like to thank the Exchange for setting up this meeting today. I'm glad so many brokerages are taking this seriously. As you can see from the numbers, we have a serious problem. There's been a massive drawdown of funds across all brokerages and mutual funds. I'm as shocked as you, and I've put my...
Sir.
What is it?
I think I've figured out the source of disruption. It's not some glitch or market anomaly.
Well, what is it?
It's the $1 Million Margin Club, sir.
The $1 Million Margin Club? I keep hearing about that. What is it?
It's a group of professional traders, sir. Their goal is simple: to teach traders how to begin with simple and easy steps and strategies in just a few books. That way they can control their financial freedom as well as their career in just 1 hour a day.
But then everyone's going to quit their jobs. And worse, they're going to stop giving us their money to invest. This can't happen. We can't let this get out. Get legal on this immediately.
Sir, there's another problem.
What now?
There's a video about the books. It's viral, sir, and...
And what?
We're in it.
They know. Somebody's watching us. Take control of your own future by clicking the link below and learn to day trade with the help of the $1 Million Margin Club's books. Visit $1milliondollarmarginclub.com now. No games, just profit.